Hello everyone. Yes, now we have finally come to the end of the foundation course of the career paths. So we have found our niche and interest, analyzed our customers and ways of approaching them. We have created our business plan, revenue and brand. Now the final and the most important step. I repeat, the most important step is building a proper routine and getting started. Now in this video there is no PPT, no nothing. We'll just talk and I'll just tell you some things about me and some of the most important things that are needed for life. If you'll notice, I've provided 3 worksheets below. One worksheet contains all the careers you can pursue with the help of Business English. The first one is virtual assistant, then comes publicist, social media creator, online course creator, language tutor, public speaking coach, life coach, digital freelance, and trust me, there are lots of it. Now you'll find another worksheet which named 10 days minimalist challenge. So this is basically in life we tend to get very confused because of many things that exist. So what we'll do is we'll minimize the things and narrow them down. So I have provided 10 days minimalist challenge where we'll be doing some specific tasks for 10 days and which will help greatly help improve our productivity, because trust me, it has happened with me, it will happen with you as well, and trust me, I won't disappoint you. Now you do some things and tick mark it for 10 days that you have done. For example, number 1 is no television all day. Number 2, write down 3 things you are grateful for that will make us feel grateful about ourselves, our life, and things like that. Turn your complaints into positives today. So these are some of the things that you'll go. Now coming to the third and the most important PDF that I wanted to talk to you about is applications you need for a better business life. Now these are some of the applications that I personally use that have made me very productive. Number 1 is Calendly. So what is Calendly? Like you all know, I book a call using Calendly. Like you all click on that book a call and then a call comes. So Calendly and Google Calendar are basically 2 applications which help you in booking a call. Then comes Trello, Todoist. So this is basically I'll be providing links, some YouTube links below which will explain to you about Trello, Todoist and things like that. So basically these are 2 applications which you can use to create a to-do list, brainstorm what is your goals for this week and things like that. What is your to-do list for this week? What do you want to achieve? What are your plans and everything like that, okay? Next comes Google Docs, Headspace, Pocket, Forest. Okay, so these are the apps which really help you. Suppose it happens with you all also, right? Whenever you all are suppose working on something, then suddenly a notification pops out on your phone, and then you're like, okay fine, let me check it, and then what happens? Boom, you lose your productivity, concentration, everything goes to waste, and then you keep on browsing your phone for hours and hours and hours and hours. Yes, it used to happen to me as well. So Pocket and Forest, these are basically some productivity apps which help you. Some notification comes, okay fine, you can look at that later on. So these are some productivity apps which will really help you. Then comes Canva. Yes, for everything that I use, for all the worksheets and for all the worksheets that you all have presently in this course and everything else, I use Canva for the PPTs as well. So Canva is an app which you all should learn, and don't worry, I'll be teaching you everything further on. So yeah, these are some of the applications that I would recommend you all to inculcate in your life, and I would also request you all to complete the 10 days minimalist challenge and tell me how you feel. Has it made you a bit productive and things like that? Because I'm sure it definitely will. So yes, I'll see you around in the next video, and I hope you like the first foundation course, which would be of a content creator, content writer, and every single detail from guided detail from A to Z. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.